Savor awe-inspiring water views in this elegantly appointed Stonewater floor plan in the exceptional resort-style gated community of Greyhawk at Golf Club of the Everglades. Welcome to 8982 Bahama Swallow Way. Just over 2 years old, this spectacular home showcases numerous thoughtfully selected upgrades, including a custom heated saltwater pool with spa, extraordinary custom painting, designer lighting, oversized tile, great room fireplace, and so much more. For more information about this stunning home, call me, Jerry Hannon with MVP Realty at 239-307-8500 or visit my website at yournextdreamhome.com.